First game asks us to put things into order, one thing at a time. We are going to leave one of these 6 things out, so I have shown an out column so that I can see it. If I'm going to be keeping track of these elements, I'm going to want to do it visually. And you'll see that even in my rules. Pretty standard rule set. H is Monday through Thursday, so H is Monday through Thursday. What O if O is there, then she's the day before H. And if you don't know how to deal with conditional rule sets, we've got video explanations for that too. Check those out. It's useful stuff. L is either Wednesday or not there. N and S are not out. And you see how I'm using that out column, right? Even in establishing my rules, N and S are not out, but N and S are also not consecutive. And I want to see it visually. All right, let's answer these questions. Number 1, a global accounting of all 5 of the these are neighborhoods, not people. A global account of all 5 neighborhoods. Well, we know that 4 of these answer choices are going to be wrong. They're going to be incomplete or incorrect. None of them leave anybody out, so 4 of them must be just wrong, and that's what we have. Answer choice A violates rule 3. Answer choice B seems fine. Answer choice C violates rule 4. D violates rule 2. E violates rule 1, and we know then that those are incorrect lists. That leaves us with answer choice B. Question 2. A neighborhood that cannot be visited on Thursday. And the question I'm going to answer for you is, why is C right? Well, because rule 2 and rule 1. Rule 2 says if Old Town is visited, it's the day before Hidden Hills. If Old Town is on Thursday, then you'd have Hidden Hills on Friday. But oh no, rule 1 says that's not possible, and that's why C is right. Question 3. And we're just going to put this into the diagram so you can see it. If H is on Monday, what has to be true? Well, put H on Monday. Oh, this is question 3, not 2. That means from that rule 2 that O is not going to be used. That means everybody else is. L, if used, is on Wednesday. We were asked what must be true. L's on Wednesday. 4. If H is on Wednesday, what must be true? Okay. H is on Wednesday. Well, L is not. L is out. That means O is in, which means that O must be the day before H. O is in, it's the day before H. We were asked what must be true. It must be true that O is the day before H. And that leaves us with only question 5, and being the sort of non-traditionalist that I am, I'm going to go ahead and answer that question. And what I want to do is talk about why the right answer is right for you. So if N is on Thursday, what has to be true? Let's show why these other things just don't have to be true. That's probably the most succinct way of showing you. If N is on Thursday, does it have to be true that H is on Wednesday? Well, let's put H somewhere else. Now if H is there, O is not performed, so O is out. L is there. S, P, I mean, I can put them in whatever order. H does not have to be on Wednesday. Does L have to be on Wednesday? Well, here she is. What if we do it this way, though? L is out. I want O and H together. So, and then S and P. And by, I think I said earlier that, that S and P could be in any order, and that just isn't true because you can't have S next to N. So, I'm not sure if I said that aloud. I know I was thinking it in my head. If I said it aloud, I beg your forgiveness. It has to be in the order I've written it because you can't have S next to P. All right. O, but this shows that L does not have to be visited on Wednesday. Does O have to be on Monday? And, we've already shown that that doesn't have to be true. O can be on Tuesday. How about P is on Friday? Well, let's put P somewhere other than Friday. All right. Before I mess with the 4 different places for P, perhaps we should think about what else could then go on Friday. If P is not there, well, you don't have L there, so it's not P, it's not L, it's not H, rule 1, it's not S, rule 4, And it's not O, because if O is on Friday, H would have to be on Saturday, and there isn't a Saturday. It's not O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's not N. That leaves us nobody. If you don't put P there, there's nobody you can put there. And that is how we know that answer choice D is correct. And that finishes off this game. And of course, that is not the most efficient way of answering that question. And that's one of the things that we teach in the paid course. But you want to know why these answers work the way they do? This is why they do.